In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow API effectively. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with Webflow, accessing and using their API can open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your website's functionality. So let's get started step by step. First, we need to navigate to the Webflow dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your Webflow projects and accounts. Make sure you're logged in, and if you have multiple workspaces, select the appropriate one to ensure you're heading in the right direction. Once in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side, one of which is Apps and Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. This section is essential because it allows you to connect your Webflow project with various external applications, enhancing your site's capabilities beyond the standard functions. Clicking here will take you to a place where you can manage all the third-party apps integrated with your Webflow account. Next up, click on Manage. This option will allow you to oversee all the applications you've connected or plan to connect to your Webflow site, including the API. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll return whenever you need to adjust or review your integrations. Now we're going to focus specifically on the API access. In the App Management section, you'll find a field labeled Workspace API Access. This is vital because it governs whether your workspace has the required permissions to use the API. If you're managing multiple workspaces, double-check that you're adjusting settings for the correct one. Accessing APIs requires specific permissions to ensure security, so ensure you're using the account with proper admin rights. Once you've confirmed the right workspace, it's time to generate an API token. This token is crucial because it acts as a key, granting you the ability to interact with Webflow's API. You might see an option labeled Generate API Token here. Click on it to create a new token. This will bring up a prompt. Follow any instructions given closely, as losing a token might require generating a new one for continued access. Remember, these tokens are sensitive. Treat them like passwords, keeping them secure and private. And that's it. You're now ready to leverage the powerful tools available within Webflow's API. With access secured, you can perform various actions like dynamically updating content or integrating other software solutions, all designed to expand the functionality of your Webflow site. I hope this walkthrough simplifies the process for you, and soon you'll be seamlessly integrating APIs into your Webflow projects with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.